Parts of speech. In this video, I am going to introduce the parts of speech and how to identify them. A part of speech is just a name given to a word based on its job in a sentence. There are 8 main parts of speech in English grammar. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's start with the easiest one, noun. For noun, all you need to remember is nouns are name of a person, place, things, feelings, quality, anything. If it is a name, it has to be a noun. For example, if I say Darsh is a name of a person. So, this is a noun. If I say school is the name of a place. So, it is a noun. If I say book is a name of a thing. So, that become a noun too. If I say love or hate, that is the name of a feeling. So, that become noun as well. If I say honesty or bravery, these are name of quality. So, these are noun as well. So, anything, it doesn't matter what it is. If it is a name, it has to be a noun. Next is pronoun. A word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Here, replaces means it takes the place of a noun. For example, Karan works with Neha. Karan likes working with Neha. Karan and Neha do many projects together. Now, of course, that sounds really stupid. And that is because we keep repeating Karan and Neha. And to avoid that kind of repetition, we can use pronoun. Instead of using the noun Karan and Neha for the second and third time, we can use the pronoun he for Karan and her for Neha. And for both of them, we can use they. We can say Karan works with Neha. He likes working with her. They do many projects together. Now we can easily see the difference in writing and reading in this sentence compared with the previous sentence. Now look some more examples where pronouns are used. Aditya bought a drawing book. Aditya loves drawing. In this sentence, instead of using the noun Aditya for the second time, we can use the pronoun he. Aditya bought a drawing book. He loves drawing. Jyoti is hungry. She is making a sandwich. Here, she is a pronoun. Let's look into the next example. The house is huge. It has 4 bedrooms. Here, it is pronoun. Let's look into one more example of pronoun. Yash and I found the joke funny. We laughed a lot. Here, we is pronoun. So, we can say sentence that used pronouns are easily readable and sound less heavy. Next is verb. What is a verb? A verb is just a word that shows an action or a state. State means a situation. A verb is a word used to express an action or state of a subject. Okay, what's the difference between these two? The difference is that action verbs expresses physical activities or processes. For example, what is this boy doing? He is running, right? So, run is an action verb. What is this baby doing? He is crying. So, crying is an action verb. But state verb is a verb that expresses a situation. For example, I have a large family. Here, I am using the state verb have. That means I am not talking about any physical action. I am just telling you about a situation. In this case, about my family. Or if I said, Neha likes chocolate cake. Is Neha doing any action in this sentence? No. That sentence just gives you some information about Neha. We are still using a verb like, but it's a state verb. If you like my video till time, then please hit like button to support my work. Also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss further learning oriented videos. Now let's get back to the topic. Next is adjective. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives can tell us information about a noun. So, let's see the examples. Gopi is a man. Here we are simply saying that Gopi is a man. We are not describing anything about the man. Now we will rewrite the sentence with some description. Gopi is an old man. Here we are describing the man as old. So, old is an adjective. Next is, they live in a beautiful house. Here, beautiful describes the quality of a house. Next is adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a verb that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, where, when, how much, and how often, etc. Take a look of these examples. In first, the baby slept soundly. Soundly is the adverb. It gives information about the verb slept. How did the baby sleep? Soundly. In second, how beautiful is Neha in this dress? She is really beautiful. It means very beautiful. So the adverb really modifies the adjective. Beautiful, that means it gives information about the adjective. In third, we have adverb of place. Who is coming here? The word here, which gives us the answer to the question where. In fourth, we have an adverb of time. We played a hockey match yesterday. It's yesterday and it tells us when. Next is, I sometimes sleep late. In it, the word sometime, which answer the question how often. How often I sleep late. So here you can see all the different things that adverb can do. Next is preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun with the other words in a sentence. For preposition, you need to remember that this word consists of two parts, pre or position. Pre means before. So basically, preposition are placed before a noun or pronoun. I just try to explain this part through the example. The cat is under the table. Now, where is the cat? Under the table. So, this part tell you where the cat is. And even in this part, I already told you that preposition are placed before a noun or pronoun. So, just strike out the noun part and the remaining will be a preposition. In the sentence under the table, the part the table is a noun. So, just strike out that under become a preposition. Prepositions are divided into three types. Different preposition shows different relations. Sometimes the preposition indicate where someone or something is. Such prepositions are called preposition of place. For example, the books are on the table. Here the preposition on shows where the books are. Some prepositions also indicate the direction in which someone or something comes or goes. Such prepositions are called prepositions of direction. For example, they quickly climbed up the stairs. Here, the preposition up indicates direction in which they climbed. Sometimes the prepositions indicate when an event happens or happened. Such prepositions are called prepositions of time. For example, the store closed at midnight. Here, the preposition at indicates when an event happens. Next is conjunctions. Conjunctions basically help us to join word, phrases, and sentences. So, conjunction is a joining word. Join here means they connect. For example, look at the first sentence. Ivan and Darsh are brother. You can see here there are two words, or I would rather say there are two subjects, Ivan and Darsh, and they are joined by and. Therefore, the word and is a conjunction. In second, he or I can help you. Again, you can see there are two subjects, he, I, and they are joined by or. So, this word or gives you a choice between he and I. Therefore, or is a conjunction. The next two sentences, she is Reena and he is Raju. These are two different and two independent sentences. If I want to join them and if I want to make them into one single sentence, I can simply use the conjunction. Therefore, in this sentence, she is Reena and he is Raju, the word and which is used to join. The man is poor. The man is honest. Here, both the sentences are describing the quality of the man. We can join them with the conjunction but, and the sentence will look like this. The man is poor but honest. The last part of his speech is interjection. An interjection is a short word or phrase that shows sudden feeling or emotion. For short word or phrase, if you need to remember, like if you will say, oh, it's a short word, or if you will say, oh God, it's a phrase. They express the feelings, strong and sudden feelings or emotions, and they always followed by an exclamation sign. For example, hooray! Oh no! Whoops! Bravo! Alas! Etc. Read these sentences with interjection. Hooray! Our team has won the quiz. It's expressing joy. Alas, I have lost my dog. It's expressing sadness. Wow, this drawing is beautiful. It's expressing wonder. Ouch, it hurts. Expressing pain.